Me have couple dog, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I for protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, when I'm a brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall.
So guys, I'm at IHOP. This is our last supper together for the year. We're not see each other again for the year. Sandy's a wife now. So one can't stop asking when the wedding is now. I wanna know when it is. Thank you. What you want plastic for?
I never just remember.
Me that thing about you know me and say, oh, we have IHOP. We don't have IHOP. It's Denny's. We have Wolipa Denny's. That is our IHOP. It's just full of glitter to the backside. I'm leaving. I'm really sad. It was an amazing time. We needed it because it's been really long, but I hate goodbyes. I love Sandy in there. I really do. I really, really do. So hopefully we see each other again soon. But until then, I have to go once every month. My vice gone. Like the wedding was ton of lit. I want to do it all over again. But yeah, I have to go back and do the people that work and stuff like that. So I'll make sure y'all go over to Sandy and congratulate her. I'm gonna put all of their YouTube channels in throughout the vlog or here or whatever. Their snaps, their instas. So I'll go follow all of my babies and yeah. It was lit. It was lit. I wish it could have just been a little bit longer and less stressful, but it was lit, and I wouldn't change it. But yeah, we're gonna take off and go back to Toronto. Look, fucking cold. I'm excited to see Babe, but and stuff like that. And then go and get ready for work tomorrow. So until next time, hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs and see you in the next one. Bye. Sleep over in the first place, you know. Yes, people are gonna see your folk. So try and bring back the mattress upstairs because that is not going on tonight. Oh no, wait till you no go back a country. This is not going on here tonight. Every day is Christmas. Hello, I'm here too.
Shake it up like some girl virtual to the Wi-Fi live. Them not like because the Wi-Fi is. Never talk about your face, it's still a shake. Go thump in a face, it's still a waste. Maxine will come from not a bad place. So I know you talk, me not do the chase. That's why you go in the elevate. So the music for me, I celebrate. Now the time for practice some more. Rush them out and anyway.
Me really bad enough to start bad yesterday already. I love you guys. Bye.
Just say,